Experience world-class student living at Harper House at the Highlands in Columbus. These stylish 1- and 2-bedroom apartments feature a private room with a bathroom, wood-style plank floors, tall ceilings, stainless steel appliances, in-unit laundry, and a spacious walk-in closet. Depending on your choice, enjoy a private or shared kitchen for your favorite meals, plus a private balcony to unwind. Relax in the garden cabanas, dive into the resort-style pool, or hit the health club. Stay productive in shared workstations with coffee from the Starbucks bar, then recharge at the spa or tanning salon. In your free time, rack up arcade games for unparalleled fun. This pet-friendly haven even has a dedicated spa for your fuzzy buddies. And with 24-hour emergency maintenance, a Luxor package center, and secure parking available, convenience is built in. Best of all, the Ohio State University and Capital University are just a short drive away. Even the buses on Sawmill Road and Dublin-Granville Road are nearby for seamless city access. So, book your spot at Harper House at the Highlands via amberstudent.com.